images are previously recorded from last night. Welcome to my $400 pay lake. LOL. Now really it's just a boat slip on the St. Johns River, but it costs me about $400 a month. I have a fixed camera. It has infrared, and we're going to be watching it tonight. Let's see if we can catch some fish. This is live from the St. Johns River in Florida. Enjoy my $400 pay lake. I'll be fishing with 2 rods tonight, baited with shrimp. Sometimes they catch something, sometimes they don't. Let's watch and see what happens. So the shrimp run is at its peak right now. These are some of the shrimp I netted off the seawall. Took me about 15 or 20 minutes. That included walking down there and back. Some of these things were like undersized lobsters. They're big. There goes a rod. Oh yeah, fish on, fish on. Both these rods are baited with live shrimp, as I stated earlier. So yeah, this is my little pay lake. That's what I kind of consider it, because I do have to pay to live here. But it's pretty cool that I can fish right out of the back of my boat. This is a bullhead, probably about 4 pounds, maybe 5 pounds. Look at the size of the mouth on that. I could stick both my fists in there. Yeah, I gave it the thumbs up. Let's get our release tool here. I got him with a circle hook there. He's just barely hooked. Say goodbye to him. He's going to go curse splash. Look at the belly on that thing. All of them are just full of shrimp. So the fishing's slow. They must be in like a hole somewhere where there's lots of shrimp. Here we go. There's another one. Pay lake scores again. Where else can you go? Oh, self-release, self-release. Doesn't get much better than that, does it? Thanks for watching.